Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in a previous video we would have seen we have used replace one, and before that update and create read operations. Now here guys, in this video we are going to see the delete operation. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, in delete, if you see the document, in delete we have deleteOne and deleteMany. So deleteOne will delete one document as same as insert1. deleteMany will delete all the documents same as updateMany. deleteOne will be updateOne. What we have to do? In deleteOne we can specify criteria. We can delete. See, this is a vague one, right? So I want to delete this. So I'll write what? I'll write deleteOne and I'll write the criteria. It should be basic based on. So I'll write open right close bracket. Inside that I'll write name equal to E. So what it will do? It will delete the E entire row. So it is coming acknowledged equal to true. So if I put it at the top and delete count equal to 1. So what if I do now find? So I'll get only these three values. That is the method of deleteOne. What if I do deleteOne? If I give nothing, will it delete anything? Let's see. So it deleted one count. What it should normally delete? So ideally it should delete the first value if we don't specify anything. So let us see. See, the first value it has now deleted, right? So let me now insert one more document with age 22. So in order to show the deleteMany, I would have used this one. So I'll write D, name D, age as 22, and I'll write eStudent equal to true. Now acknowledge equal to true. Let me now find the values. So it is B, C and D. So I want to delete many having the age 22, right? So deleteMany, it should be in camel case, and I'll write age as 22. So what it will do? It will match all the documents which has age 22. It will delete it. Enter. It found 2 and it deleted the 2 count. So let us now find the values. It should only be one value. So let us insert one more document. So I'll write it as A. Let it be age 22. So I'll insert it. Insert equal true. Now I'll write find. I have B and A. What if I give deleteMany of nothing? What it does, it will delete the entire collection irrespective of anything. So it should be in BSON format. BSON, click on enter. See, it deleted 2. So if I find now, so I'll find nothing. All the collections are gone. That's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.